The provincial licensing exam consists of questions on each of the HLLQP's sub-competencies. This case study is based on the HLLQP subcompetency 2.2, Analyze the advantage of segregated funds in comparison to other types of investments in regard to the client's needs. This case study references section 1.3.1.1, Advantages and Disadvantages of Segregated Funds. Out of the following list, who might feel there were disadvantages to investing in segregated funds? A person saving for a home down payment in 3 years. B, a person with health issues wanting to maximize his estate. C, an individual wanting to reduce estate costs. Or D, an individual who owns a business. To help figure out what the right answer is for this question, here's a fantastic success tip. In the provincial licensing exam, you'll be given a tablet with this manual loaded on it, and you'll be able to search it during the exam. It is, in other words, an open book exam. However, you won't be given the relevant section of the manual. You'll have to find it. By practicing this now, you'll prepare yourself to use the search function in the exam. Of course, you don't have to use the manual in the provincial licensing exam, but if you're unsure of the answer, it's best to know how to find it quickly. Take a moment to search for the key phrase of this question. For example, if this was the provincial licensing exam, you could search disadvantages, since the question is asking about this. This will take you to section 1.3.1.1 in the table of contents. You could then refer to this section to find the answer. Once you've completed your search, choose the answer that you feel is correct, and then resume this case study. Welcome back. The correct answer is a person saving for a home down payment in 3 years. Rationale. A person saving for a home down payment in 3 years might view this as a disadvantage as per section 1.3.1.1, since there is a minimum 10-year term to maturity for the maturity guarantee to apply. A person with health issues wanting to maximize his estate is incorrect, as there is a guaranteed death benefit as per 1.3.1.1. An individual wanting to reduce estate costs is incorrect, as this can bypass probate as per section 1.3.1.1. An individual who owns a business is incorrect because it is creditor protected as per section 1.3.1.1. And that brings us to the end of our case study. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have a hard copy of this case study, you can download the transcript from within your course. In addition, make sure you review our exam writing tips. They're especially valuable if you haven't taken an exam in a few years. On behalf of myself, Joe White, and the REMIC team, we wish you all the best in the licensing exam and in your new career.